I love you guys. I love the fact that you love each other, and it shows. Until today, I mean, I knew that you guys was getting married, but it really hit me when I saw her in that dress, and I lost it, even though I was right there when she picked it out, and I was like, you know, she is so beautiful. I pray for you guys. I pray over y'all. Not only are you my brother now in family, you also are my brother in arms, so we got a special connection there. I only wish the best for both of y'all for a lifetime of happiness, and I love both of you very much.
TT, I'm not perfect, but you're perfect for me. When I have issues, make mistakes, etc., you don't judge me, no matter how it makes you mad. I vow from this day forward to be your best friend, your lover, your partner, your home builder, companion. You are my peace that I've been searching for.
It was like God was talking directly to me saying, girl, you better pay attention because this is your Boaz. To confirm his word, God sent an angel to us one afternoon when we were on a date that basically predicted this moment. Thank you, Jesus. Whew. You have made me want to give love a second chance, one more chance. You show me that love is patient, that love is kind, and most of all, that love doesn't hurt.